Hello students, are you ready to master the concept of polynomial? So this topic is for you because here we are going to learn some key concept of polynomial. So let us start with a very basic concept of the polynomial. It is, if px is a polynomial, then the zeros of the polynomial are those values of x for which the polynomial is 0. What I mean that if I am given a polynomial px and I need to find the zeros of the polynomial, then to find the zeros I need to put the polynomial equals to 0. So I have taken an example. It is px is equals to x square plus 7x plus 10 and I need to find the zeros of the polynomial. So I will put polynomial equals to 0. That means x square plus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. Now I need to solve this equation and find the root, and to solve it we need to split this middle term in such two numbers whose product is 10 and the sum is 7. We know that such two numbers are 5 and 2 because the sum of 5 and 2 is 7 and the product of 5 and 2 is 10. So the common between these two numbers is x and the remaining term is x plus 5. Similarly, the common here is 2 and the remaining term is x plus 5 is equal to 0. Again, we get the two factors here, x plus 2 and x plus 5 is equal to 0. So we get the two values of x. It is x is equals to minus 5 and minus 2. These two values of x are called the zeros of polynomial, and we can also call it the roots of the polynomial. So in this way we can find the zeros or the roots of any given polynomial. Next we will learn what is the relation between the zeros of polynomial and the coefficients of the polynomial. So next we will see what is the relation between the zeros and the coefficients of the quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial means a polynomial in which the highest power of variable is 2. I can see here the highest power of the variable here is x and its highest power is 2. And in the same way I have also mentioned that a cannot be equals to 0, otherwise it will not be a quadratic equation, right? And I have taken that alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial px. Then alpha plus beta will be equals to minus b by a. Now you are thinking what is b and what is a. A here is, you can see a here is the coefficient of x square and b is the coefficient of x here, right? Similarly, the product of roots, that is alpha into beta, is equals to c by a. C here is a constant and a is this variable of x square, right? So if I know the sum of roots and I know the product of roots, then in order to find the polynomial will be x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equals to 0. To explain it, I am taking the same example here, that was x square plus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0, and we have already find here the roots, and the roots were minus 2 and minus 5. We have already calculated it. So let alpha is equals to minus 5 and beta is equals to minus 2. I need to verify these two terms here. So let's check here. First of all, alpha plus beta, from here you can see it is minus 2 minus 5 and the sum is minus 7. And we have also seen that alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. So let's see from the equation. The equation says that b here is the coefficient of x and c here is the constant term and a here is 1, right? So minus b by a means minus 7 by 1 and it is equals to minus 7. So we can say here that alpha plus beta is equals to minus 7 and it is also equals to minus b by a. In the same way, product of roots, that is alpha into beta, will be equals to minus 2 into minus 5 and it is equals to 10. We can also verify by the formula this alpha into beta is equals to c by a. Here c is 10 and a here is 1. So we can check that this is also 10 and this is also 10. So in this way we can, if I know the roots, I can also find the sum of